Jackhammer, I have returned. Introducing first, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Give it up for my friend, Blaze McCoy. And his opponent, he is the reigning and defending JWE United States champion from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, representing the Brood. Give it up for Dan Fine. And here we go. Oh, Blaze misses that one. Dan Fine going outside the ring. Blaze is outside the ring too. Uncle Dan Fine's got his steel chin. Blaze hits him with the ladder. Ladder's in the ring. Blaze picks up the ladder now. Dan Fine's come back in. Blaze hits him again. Sets the ladder up. Picks Uncle Dan up. Drops him down. Now Blaze is rolling outside the ring. Uncle Dan's climbing the ladder. He's got the belt. One rung. Oh, he misses it. Blaze is punching him right in the stomach. That's gotta hurt. Oh, Dan Fine's punching back. He's choking. I told you not the chicken one. Not the chicken. Oh, Blaze punching Dan Fine in the face. He's doing the same back. Oh, Blaze is punching Dan Fine. He knocks him off the ladder. He's down. Dan's outside the ring now. He's back in the ring now. Oh, the ladder just got pushed away. Powerbomb onto the ladder. He's gonna need a backy out of me after that one, folks. Holy sugar. Plum fairies. And now he, knocks Dan Fine down. Blaze picked up the ladder. Ladder's in the middle of the ring. Blaze picks him up. Turns around, drop him. He dropped Dan Fine on his back. Blaze now just standing there taunting away. Dan Fine is back on his feet now. Blaze is punching him now. Oh, he picks him up. Oh, he drops him down. Dan Fine rolls outside the ring. Dan Fine is down and out. He's not moving. Blaze is climbing that ladder. He's got the title in hand. Oh, that's 3 rungs. Can Blaze do it? Can he regain the title that he... Oh, Blaze falls down. Blaze is back on his feet. Oh, he knocked Dan Fine off the ladder. He picks up the ladder. Sets it up again. Blaze now. Oh, he missed it. He missed the springboard move. Uncle Dan now outside the ring. He's got the table. What's he gonna do with it? Blaze has the table the ladder set up in the ring. Dan Fine gets yeeted over the top. Blaze now goes after him. Blaze is like, what should I do here? Now he's going punching Dan Fine multiple times. Picks him up. Kick to the gut. Dan Fine reverses it. Oh, and he slams him onto the floor. Blaze now picks up Dan Fine. Throws him back into the ring. Blaze is coming back in with him. He punches him. Grabs him. Dan Fine now elbow shots to the chest there. He drops him into the wicked stepsister. Oh my God. Stomp. His face right into the canvas. Blaze is now in the corner. Dan Fine has a chair. He hits him. Blaze is down. He hits him again. Blaze is back on his feet. Dan Fine drops him again. Dan Fine now. He's climbing that ladder. Is Dan Fine about to retain his gold? Blaze is back up. And he pushes the ladder away. Grabs him. Let the chair drop. Dan Fine is down. Blaze has the chair. He had the chair, but it got knocked out of his hands. Uh-oh. Skull crushing finale. He hits it. Blaze is stunned. Blaze is not getting up. Dan Fine now. He's climbing. Blaze is back on his feet. Blaze is up. Dan Fine. Can he retain? No. He does. Here is your winner. And still the JWE United States Champion, Dan Fine. I'll be back.